What's up guys, it's Josh from KeepItTechie, and today I want to show you guys how to do a speed test from the command line. So I've been using this script for a number of years on my server just to periodically run speed tests, just to check my internet connection and see if I was getting the correct upload and download speeds. So I found this script a while back and I've been using it ever since on my server and also on my desktop, just to get, instead of going to a website like speedtest.net or whatever it is, I would just quickly run the command from the command line. So this is just the GitHub page, is speedtest-cli. And just reading here, it says command line interface for testing internet bandwidth using speedtest.net. And it's a Python script. I know that for sure. Yeah, it works with Python 2.4 to 3.7. And if we go down a little bit, here's the installation instructions, which is pretty simple. I'm gonna just walk you guys through it. Now, since I've been using this script for so long, I just want to point this out. This is the way it used to be. I installed it using following this installation. It didn't have the pip or the easy install, so I used the wget process. You're basically taking that script and copying it down and then making it executable on the second step. And here is the basic usage. I'm gonna go through and just show you a little bit of it. So let's get started on the demonstration. So the command to install is pip, and actually we need to do sudo pip install speed test -cli, and I'm using Arch Linux. This is my main desktop, my daily driver, and so I'm just letting you guys know that's what I'm using. But this is the command to install it, and as you can see, it's pretty simple install. Pip is pretty cool. I like it. But so now that we have it installed, let's run a few of the commands. So let's go speed test -cli and then -h, which is one of the options. So this will show you the help information. Basically everything I showed you in the GitHub, it'll show you here. So that way you can pull up your the usage and all the options or arguments to use with the actual application. -h obviously is help. -- no download, do not perform a download test. You can exclude certain tests when you're running it. So if you don't want to look at the upload test or do the upload test, it'll just do download and stop. This option is for single mode, that's what I call it. Only use a single connection instead of multiple. This simulates the typical file transfer. Then here is the bytes, displays value in bytes instead of bits. Does not affect the image. Generated by --share, nor output from JSON or CSV. And it's a couple other options in here. I'm not gonna go through them. One of them I want to show you is CSV. You can actually only show basic information in CSV format. You can also export this out to a actual text file and then open it up in Excel. And then this is the CSV delimiter. You know, to put a comma in there. And like I said, you can write this out to an actual file and you can open it up in LibreOffice. And that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you. Let's just run a command so you guys can get an idea of what it shows. So I'm gonna just run the basic command, which is speed speedtest-cli, press enter. As you can see, it goes through. It'll start the pinging process. It'll find the best server, and mine is gonna look a little weird because I'm actually using a VPN that's going through Houston, Texas. That's why it looked for and found a server in Central Time Zone, but I'm actually in California. So as you can see, that's real good speeds for me being on the all the way on the West Coast from Houston. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to highlight this script so you guys can have another way to actually test your internet connection. Instead of going to one of those websites, you can do it all from the command line using speed test client. So thank you for checking out the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box below. And of course, keep it techie.